Sira Hijri, the battlefield of Badr. Only 314 Muslims thi, standing firm against 1,000 disbelievers. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Ali, step into the battlefield. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu, young but full of unshakable faith, stood before the enemy with such resolve that the earth itself trembled. Then came Walid bin Utbah, a renowned warrior of Makkah. Swords flashed, dust rose, and suddenly a mighty cry echoed, Allahu Akbar. In just moments, Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu sent him to the depths of hell, and then, one by one, more enemies fell by his sword. This was not just a battle, it was the victory of faith. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu shone brightly as the true hero of the Battle of Badr.